Hello everyone, welcome to Oliveboard. My name is Dinkar and I welcome you all in this session. I hope everybody is doing great, feeling healthy and fine. So as I promised, today we have uh, so in the morning the SIDBI Grade A examination is over, and in the afternoon we have done the session on the overall analysis of the SIDBI Grade A examination. So we have done a very proper analysis, like what type of question, from which area the questions have been asked from, reasoning, general awareness, then quantitative aptitude, English, and essay writing, and various other things. So right now in this session, I will be telling you about from where the general awareness question has been asked. So which all possible things, from where all the things have been coming, like what topic and from where they have picked up the question this time. So this will help you to analyzing like how you have to prepare for the examination. Like as you all know that there are a lot of current affairs there, so everything is current affair only. So but you have to do a very important selective study when it comes to here. Okay, so that is why we have come up with the special session where we will be discussing what all questions have been asked in this session today, and what all questions that have been came in the SIDBI Grade A examination this year. And based on that questions, you will be able to find out like which questions they have touched upon, and from which topic they have asked the question, whether they have moved away from their analysis the likes last time that has happened, or they have always aligned with whatever they have written in the syllabus. From there only the things have come. Okay, and we will be also discussing like what all the essays have come, what all the letter writing that has come. So everything we have got it today for you. It is a totally a packed session with each and everything related to what all has been asked in the paper. Okay, so let's start with our session right away. So the first, we will be going about the general awareness questions. So 50 questions have been asked. So our team, a very dedicated team of the professionals, they have tried to find out all the question possible, memory based question, and they have given us the question. So I'm really thanking the team for providing me this kind of question and answer. So these are the questions that have been asked in the examination that has happened today at the SIDBI examination, grade A examination that has happened in the morning. So general awareness question. First question that has been coming from the general awareness is from the, just 1 minute, from the woman entrepreneurship platform. From the woman entrepreneurship platform. So which of the following organization has launched the woman entrepreneurship platform web to provide ecosystem for building the existing women entrepreneurs? So this is also a question from the PIB which I always take. Okay, this question, women entrepreneurship platform, direct question from the PIB. So it is the Niti Aayog. The answer is Niti Aayog. Okay, then the second question is on the percentage of health and education cess on income tax. Okay, so what is the health and education cess that is there in the income tax? So it is the 4% of the thing, right? Then comes the third question. FDI is prohibited in which of the following sectors? So there are many sectors that were there. So on that, you have to select under which sector FDI is prohibited. Okay, so there were some option has been given regarding FDI. So you should know regarding FDI ups and down. Everything related to FDI you should know. Now comes Indira Gandhi National Tribal University is located at which place? Indira Gandhi National Tribal University is located at which place? It is located in Amarkantak, Madhya Pradesh. Okay, so the question on location of the various university. So since tribal, why the question is being on the tribal? So we can give some kind of logical guess is that because this type we have a first tribal. Honorable President Draupadi Murmu ji has been selected, so they can ask you the questions based on the tribal things. Okay, then the question is on the statement base. Then the question is on the statement based question is there regarding a startup firm IG drones. Okay, so they are developing 5G enabled drone. They are developing the 5G enabled drone Shonk Skyhawk. It is Skyhawk. So the question is based on this. That is a statement based question. So we our team cannot remember the full statement. Actually, nobody else can remember the statement. Big statements are there. So there were question regarding the new IG drones, 5G enabled drone that is called Skyhawk. Okay. Then question number 6 is on the RBI retail direct scheme. RBI retail direct scheme. So direct question on the from the RBI website. Direct question from the RBI website. So the RBI retail direct scheme can now buy and sell dash directly through RBI retail portal. So there were some option, four, 5 options were there. So all the options were correct. That was the answer. Now there was a question on Ujjwala 2.0, right? So there was a statement based question. You have to find out which statement is or are correct. Which of the statement is or are correct. So it was based on Ujjwala 2.0. So here some of the statement that has been given, like an adult woman belonging to the poor household, then eligibility as per socio-economic caste census list, so belonging to SC/ST household, and he should be a beneficiary of the Pradhan Mantri Awas Yojana, Antyodaya Anta Yojana, right? If she is not falling under the above two categories, right? So the answer is all of the above. The answer is all of the above. So this is an important statement based question on Ujjwala 2.0. Okay. Then the question on CARA, CARA, CARA. Okay, where R stands for CARA stands for Central Adoption Resource Authority. Central Adoption Resource Authority, and R stands for resource. R stands for resource. So full form based, if you know, I am taking the PIB session, so there I am teaching you various type of full forms also. Okay, so that is also very, very important. Now, which of the following initiative has been launched by for quality research in the Ayurveda research? So there is some kind of initiative that has been launched. It is called Smart Initiative. Smart Initiative means scope for mainstreaming Ayurveda research in teaching professionals, because right now we have a lot of things that is happening in the field of Ayurveda. Ministry of Ayush is working, various type of Ministry of Ayush is also signing memorandum of understanding. So this question also become very, very important. Now question number 10, which of the following organization has developed the national electronic toll collection? You know, toll collection, FASTag, that is going on. So who has developed this whole technology to meet the electronic tolling requirement? So who has developed that? So this has been developed by NPCI, National Payment Corporation of India Limited. Okay. Then question on Beti Bachao Beti Padhao scheme. Okay. Statement. Following statement is there, which is correct. So the correct statement was, it was launched on 22nd January 2015, and in which place? Haryana. That is very important. Where it has been launched? It has been launched in Haryana. Then Pradhan Mantri Matru Vandana Yojana. If you can see here, lot of scheme based question. Lot of scheme based questions are there. Around 20 questions are there from the schemes. Okay. So Pradhan Mantri Matru Vandana Yojana. What is the amount of direct benefit transfer of the second installment after the 6 months of the pregnancy? How much government provide under direct benefit transfer under Pradhan Mantri Matru Vandana Yojana? So it is 2000 rupees government transfer into the bank account, direct benefit transfer. Okay. Daksh monitors the Daksh. Again, a kind of a portal. So it is right, all of the above. Okay. Find out what is the meaning of Daksh, and then you have to find out. Remember these things, very, very important. Find out what is Daksh. Okay. Then this is a direct question, Coal India from the PIB. Direct question from the PIB. Coal production in India has increased by 16.39%. So from December 2022 and January 2023, major questions are being asked from this time frame only. Major question has been asked from this time frame. Now, which of the following is not one of the objective of Niti Aayog? So there are a lot of objectives that has been given. They are asking which is not. कौन सा objective नहीं है? So, regulating the growth and price stability is not the objective of Niti Aayog. Okay. Then there was a question on RBI FEM CAT amendment rule. Okay. Direct amendment rules of the RBI. So if you can see over here, RBI portal and RBI website, direct questions are there. Direct questions are there from there also. Okay. Schemes, RBI website, and PIB. Very, very important. Okay, so question based on RBI FEM Act was. Then question number 17, which of the following is not an eligibility criteria under NPS trader? Okay, under the NPS trader, so the trader must be a beneficiary of PM Shram Man Dhan Yojana. Okay, PM the trader should be the beneficiary of PM Shram Man Dhan Yojana. Okay, then question number 18. What is the funding pattern? Funding pattern means very important. There are various type of ways government fund. Some government like uh, centrally sponsored schemes, central sector schemes. So there is a division of the funding. Okay, 60, 40, 90, 10, or 100%. Okay, there are some places where central government gives 60%. There are some places where central government gets 90%. There are some places central government gets 100%. Okay, so what is the funding pattern between central and the state government in the PMK north hilly states, hilly regions? Okay, what is the funding? It is 75 is to 25. It is 75 is to 25. 75 by the central government, 25 by the state government. Okay. Then, which of the following ministries release the national income? Direct question. Direct static based question. Because these are some of the things from the finance, economy, and finance. So, the SIDBI is not going here and there. They are asking question on social, banking, finance, and economy. If you try to find out, all the questions belongs to any of these categories. They belongs to all these categories, only four categories. So national income of the income is released by MOSPI, Ministry of Statistics and Program Implementation. Now question number 20, which of the following statement is or are correct regarding the e-shram portal? Shram portal, they have given various teams. So there is a portal that is called e-shram portal. So they have asked question on e-shram portal. So all the statements were correct over there. Then revamped Gram Swaraj Abhiyan is proposed to be implemented as a core centrally sponsored scheme for 4 years. Now it has been extended for a period of 4 years. Now from 2022 to it has been extended to 2005 to 2026. Okay, so that has been extended to this time. The question number 22, which of the following statement is or are not correct regarding PM JAY, Jan Arogya Yojana, Pradhan Mantri Jan Arogya Yojana? So incorrect statement was there. Beneficiary can avail the scheme benefit only in the government hospital. No. 5 lakh rupees insurance is being provided for each household. They can have any number of people, right? So it cannot be on government plus private, which are impaneled with the Pradhan Mantri Jan Arogya Yojana. You can go there. It is totally cashless. For up to 5 lakh rupees of treatment you can take either in government or private, which is impaneled with this Jan Arogya Yojana. Now question number 23, a very static question. The charges for applying for PAN excluding the GST, that means if you wanted to apply for a PAN card excluding the GST charges, what is the charges? It is rupees 93 excluding GST. Okay. Now, which of the following is not one of the member of G20? Why G20? Question, very important, because India has got the presidency this year. Okay, India has got the presidency of the G20 this year, and that is why they are asking like which of the following is not the member of G20. So it is Thailand. Okay, then important day, International Human Solidarity Day. Okay, a totally different thing. Now, what is the answer for this? It is December 20th is observed as International Human Solidarity Day. Now, Which of the following is one of the valid document? That means if we are going for KYC, what is the valid document if you wanted to take for the KYC? So there are various type of things have been given. 1 minute. Okay. So which of the following is one of the valid documents? So there are various valid documents for KYC. So identity proof and address proof are the valid document for KYC. Now question number 27. Question number 27. Recently, the central government has established the first skill international center. First skill India International Center under which of the following scheme? So, which scheme has been utilized to set up first skill India International? So, obviously, the answer can be skill India mission, but it cannot be so obvious. But a few people might be have some different. But skill India mission is the answer. Now, direct question on finance. Which of the following is not a category of risk in the mutual fund? Like which of the following is not a category of risk in the mutual fund? So there are various type of risk that is there in the mutual fund, but which is not the category? So they are asking which is not the category. Okay. So secure and medium risk, these are not the category that are there in the mutual fund. Now, Argentina won its first FIFA World Cup trophy in which? Because this year Argentina win. Okay, okay, Qatar. Okay, this year Argentina won, right? So earlier, the first FIFA trophy, Argentina won its first FIFA trophy in 1978. Okay, now question number 30. Which of the following scheme is eligible for a tax redemption of 1.5 lakh under section 80C? Everybody knows that under 80C you get tax redemption of 1.5 lakh. Okay, so which of the following scheme is eligible? Okay, so there are options were given. So the answer is all options were correct that are eligible under tax redemption under the 80C. Okay, now IRDAI. IRDAI, this was also a question. Insurance Regulatory Development Authority of India has a paid up capital that has been increased from 25% to what percent? That is also one of the question. Then question based on the statements were there regarding the sovereign gold bond. Sovereign gold bonds, a very important thing. Okay, so you should know regarding the sovereign gold bonds, how much interest they are putting, who can apply, how much they can keep, under which denomination gold has been given, everything you should know. Then question number 33. Shyama Prasad Mukherjee Urban Mission dash clusters were planned to be launched. How many clusters? This is again a question from the PIB direct. 300 cluster is to be launched. Okay, so now question number 34. In which of the following country GST is not levied in transit? Okay, in which of the following countries GST is not levied in transit? Whenever the goods is taken, the transit, the good is there. Nepal and Bhutan, we don't apply the GST in transit. Okay, question number 35. According to the Multi-Dimensional Poverty Index 2022, obviously a very important question. The incidence of poverty fell from 55.1% to what percentage in the country? It fell from 55.1 to 16.4%. Okay. Now, question number 36. Which of the following is not one of the stage of new educational policy? So there are various stages are there in the new educational policy. Okay, various stages are there. So which of one is not the stage? So there the tertiary is not the stage over there. Okay, then question number 37. What was India's rank in the tourism statistics? Because lot of tourism activity government is running. So tourism, what is the rank? India got a rank in tourism statistics in 2022. Okay, so the one more refinement of this document will be coming. Then question statement based questions was there on RTGS and NEFT. Then question number 39, which of the following schemes has been integrated into the integrated ombudsman schemes? So the scheme that has been integrated is OIS, Ombudsman Insurance Scheme. Now, question number 40, which of the following entities have not been insured by the DICG? Okay, which of the following entities are not being insured? Depository insurance scheme is there, 5 lakh rupees depository insurance scheme is there. So payment banks are not being insured under that. Okay, now question number 41, a new British Indian Army memorial was erected in Scotland. Anything that is happening for India outside the world, that is also very important. Then question based on Swachh Bharat mission was there. Okay, question based on Swachh Bharat mission. Then who won the 7th edition of the Digital India Award? Direct question of the PIB. Direct question of the PIB. It has been given to the ENAM, Electronic Market, National National Agriculture Market, ENAM, has got the Digital India Award for doing end-to-end digitalization of this process. Then question on Sudargrah scheme. Question was on Sudargrah scheme. Then 45th question is on ATM transaction fees that has been charged if you are exceeding the free transaction limit. Okay, so ATM transaction fees charged after exceeding the free transactions. There are various type of free transaction. Per month you have some free transaction in ATM, but after that you have to give certain transaction fees. So it is rupees 21 per transaction. Okay, so till these 45 questions we are able to remember. So 50 questions were there. So a good clapping to our team that at least they are able to remember a very good amount of question. 45 questions they have able to remember. Now we are moving towards the descriptive part. Can you see, guys, the descriptive, the new PDF? 1 minute. So the descriptive part now we are going to do. Yeah, so in the descriptive you have to write two essay. You have to write two essay and one letter. Okay, so two essay, you part one you have to select from one part, and from other part you have to select another essay. So the word limit is 200 words, a very short, very the rural health infrastructure. So you have to explain briefly certain key steps regarding the rural health infrastructure. Then the so you have to select the first essay from all these four. Then the second is on ways to prevent or combat the malnutrition in women and children. Then the third essay is on how integration of mental health on education, how we can, what is the importance of mental health, and how we can inculcate this mental health issues and solutions to the education. Then discuss the role of renewable energy in the fight against climate change. So out of these four you have to select the one. So mostly the people have selected this renewable energy one because good amount of points will be there. People might have selected rural health infrastructure also, and people might have selected that what are the ways for selecting and combating rural malnutrition and women and children in India. Okay, then comes the second essay you have to write from again these four essay. These four essay are from, first topic is on ESI, economic and social issues. Then the next essay is on the banking and finance. Banking and finance. Four essay has been given, so you have to select one essay out of it. So first essay is on bank operates on the saving or investment made largely by the individual household. Hence, every type of transaction by the depositor ought to be free. Do you agree? So here they are asking your views. Your views. and justify your views, but you have only 200 words. So you have to be very, very prompt in answering, like whether I am okay or whether I'm not okay with this. Okay. Then the second essay is on what is the meaning of mixed economy. Discuss the advantages. Then the third essay is on the role of literacy in transforming India from largely an agrarian economy to leading service economy. Okay. So discuss the role of literacy in transforming India from largely agrarian to the service economy and fintech. Fintech, yes, it is a very, very hot topic. So this is also okay. So you have to select one essay from part one and part two. Okay. Now, guys, if there is any issues related to the answer, see, we have done a very good research, but sometimes it happens that sometimes one or two answer goes ups and down. Okay, so we will be also checking one more, like if there is any other problem is there. So just don't worry, we are just telling you what type of questions are being asked and from which places the questions are being asked. Okay, so there are little bit ups and downs are there, so don't worry about that. If there is any correction is there, we will do that. Don't worry about that. Then letter is of 150 words. So four letters were there. You have to write one of the letter. So first letter is on the you are a head of the company. So you have to write to all your clients. So ask your client like if they can write some testimonial about the service that your company is providing. Okay, then there is a yet another letter which is based on like you are a person who wanted to write to the manager of your company, because there is a training that has to be provided to the managers of your company, enterprise resource planning. So your company has brought this software and training has to be provided to the manager. So HR manager will be drafting a letter to tell all manager to take this training. Then the third letter is on letter on one of your client organization notifying of an upcoming contract renewal. So there is a contract renewal that has to be done. So you have to write a letter to your client that there is a contract renewal that has to be happening. So you have to furnish the detail such as retainer fee, duration, and all those things. Then the fourth one is a letter to inquiry to the MSABC IT solution requesting them to send you a quotation for 25 computers. So your company wanted to buy 25 computer. So you are writing a letter to ABC IT solution like if they can provide 25 computers. So and also ask them to provide proper details and the requirements. Okay, so these are the four letters. You have to select any one of the letter. So these letters are also not difficult. They are very easy letter. It is just like that. You have to make sure that proper formal words you can utilize in this letter. Format is very important. Format and presentation is very important. If you are able to do that, you are going to get a very good marks in your essay writing and your letter writing. So guys, this is all for today, and I have discussed each and every questions with you. And yeah, we are just these are the memory based paper, memory based questions. Sometimes some options goes up and down, so because for that I really apologize. And we will be just checking again, and we'll be letting you know if there is any problem. We'll let you know, but these are all the questions that have been asked today, and I am really appreciating my content team for that preparing of these questions by memory based. A very congratulations to my team for preparing these and giving it to me for letting you know regarding all these things. So this is a hard work that has been done by my team, and thank you so much everybody for joining the session in this time. And if you have anything to ask, please let me know in the chat box. I will be letting you know. Okay, till then, never forget to like, subscribe, and follow. Happy learning, guys. Please share this video with your friends, those who wanted to check their answers and what type of letters, and if anybody wanted to understand the pattern of the question that has been asked. So I will be seeing you. And guys, we are running a very important courses mentorship batch we are running. So please do join the sessions. And thank you so much. And thank you for attending the session. Thank you so much, everybody. Thank you so much. It's really appreciate the effort. Bye bye.